I am going to tell you the steps which you can take to protect yourself and your children from becoming victims of cyberbullying. We should avoid engaging with the cyberbullies because responding can escalate the situation. Next step can be block and report the post. You should ask your children to use privacy settings of the social media to control who can contact them online, who can see or access their photographs. Block individuals involved in the cyberbullying process. If anybody who is involved into cyberbullying, if he or she is from your children's school, then report their behavior to the school authorities. And if they are general friends, they are not from the school, then you should report their behavior to the social media platform administrators. On the post itself, you can see 3 dots. If you click on those, you will find to report the matter to the social media platform administrators. Next step is save the evidences. If you can take the screenshots or save messages as evidence of cyberbullying, then this can be useful if you decide to involve school authorities, or if you want to file the complaint, or you want to go legal or go policing way. Next is, we have to be mindful for our online presence. Be extremely cautious about what you share online or what your child is sharing online. Regularly review your privacy settings. Each social media platform has its own privacy settings. Avoid sharing personal information that could be used against you. And if, as I explained you earlier as well, if matter is related to school, then you should not hesitate at all in reporting the matter to the school authorities. And you should be careful with your child. Do not scold them or be very strict to them. Be friendly with them, talk to them, so that if anything wrong happens to them, they can share the matter with you. And if social media is extremely toxic, you find that matter has gone beyond the hands, then it is better to take the break from your online environment or online social media for some time, maybe for a week, 10 days, 15 days or a month. And if you want to file online complaint, then Indian government has given us the facility to file the complaint online. Government website is cybercrime.gov.in. I will write the government website link in the video description as well. You may note it down and share the video with others to spread the awareness about cyberbullying and its protective measures.